Welcome to another episode and video on my monorail built with fischertechnik, which is controlled by a robo interface from fischertechnik and ultimately by a BeagleBoard Classic, which is connected via HDMI to a monitor, HDMI connector here, serial cable to minicom serial terminal on a laptop, and a USB cable which is connected to this USB hub, and this one goes then to the robo interface, of course the power for the robo interface, but important as well, this cable, USB to Ethernet. Last time I tried unsuccessfully to connect it, because so far I was connected using the Wi-Fi connector, this one, and because I experienced way too many signal interruption, connection interruptions, I tried to get the serial to Ethernet wired conversion, and after recording it, the episode, I realized why it failed, and I had to adjust the networking setup on the BeagleBoard to get it running. And so now I am connected to it, although yeah, it works with limitation that it is USB 2.0, and well, this is certainly not USB 3, so that is correct, but the speed of the converter is maximum 100 megabits per second. So although my own network is a gigabit per second, this should do, also considering the age of this one. So that as a first thing. Then comes the second, today's topic, which goes on this part. Last time I modified this. I had only one of the red blocks here, extended them to 3, and that still did not work nicely. But why? It still might rock, and I'm not talking about music. The point might be, and I discovered that at the very last moment, that this whole construction may be causing a lot of friction. So when I run it, and let me run it now. Alright, it says no such device. And why does it say no such device? It's not being controlled here. Okay, let me enter debugging modus. So this is not going to be connected. There's no signal. Unable to open the interface. Why would that be? Because the interface is connected to the USB hub. Alright, this is not nice. Can I open then the diagnostic interface? So let's go to the VNC, virtual network computing, over the interface and see whatever is wrong, hopefully. Alright, so now I have a rather serious problem. You're looking now at, here of course, the controller, the robo interface, USB hub with the new USB to Ethernet converter for wired connection. And this is what it now says. No such device. Why would that be? And let me check. Yeah, it is the correct cable going from here to here. It's the same cable. So let's test to open the interface. Yes. Well, that works apparently. So now let's go take a look at the carriage. Will it work or not? Would be a nice surprise if it did. But I am afraid that that is not the case. Even worse, it doesn't even connect. It does not connect to I can enter it, I can start it, but it doesn't connect to the interface right there. The LED here that indicates that it is connected isn't showing that it is connected. So close interface. Then what does it show here? It should find a robo interface somehow. So let's here see grep -I, so ignore the difference between capitals and small print. Then, well, this is absolutely promising. Fischertechnik robo interface. Manufacturer Knopfloch GmbH, which is limited for well, this means limited in German. Gesellschaft mit beschränkter Haftung, or Haftung, and yeah, LTD in English. So it works, and here I have the wired connection, which is very good. So it finds both this one, both this, and it finds the new network controller. So then why is it not connecting? Okay. This is very strange. New opening. Yeah, there's only one robo interface over USB. I don't need anything else. Okay. And I'm connected. Or so I should be. But I'm not. are not connected at all. Alright, so what do? I think I replug the Wi-Fi, because this is asking for maintenance for the tryout. I plug in right now the Wi-Fi, it's plugged, and that doesn't make sense. This does not make sense at all. USB is USB. It is there. Alright. Yeah, no, this makes no sense. This is only the connection, and I mean this networking connection is only the connection for the VNC. So using the VNC, I am actually running on the BeagleBoard right here, and from this it tells me through the USB hub that I have no connection. What I can do is cancel this VNC. I have the Wi-Fi in there, so let's do that. Change to 130, which is the IP address of the Wi-Fi. Then password, and there we are again. It's still running, of course. I unplug this one. I unplug now the Ethernet conversion. So let's, and yes, here now I have the Realtek Wi-Fi. So now what's going to happen? Nothing. I lost my connection. Aha. This is not good. So I reconnect. Exit VNC. Reconnect using 40. At least that should work. Does it work? Authentication field. Oh, that's possible. There we are again. Using now again the wired connection. I have a problem, I think. But why? Error sending control message. I don't care about that. It is there. No doubt, it is there. Why can I connect to the interface without doing anything? Not funny. Alright. The solution. Power cycle the Lobo interface. Didn't expect that one, but it did work. What also worked was the carriage. at least temporarily. And then I have wasted a lot of time with the connection. So now I have to find out how to solve the problem with the friction, because now I am shifting it. No, wait. Okay, cancel. I am shifting it here. And then starting. Alright, let's quit this. Let's enter the interface, diagnostics interface, which doesn't work, and neither does this. Now that's annoying. Alright, let's hold it here. Yeah, it's moving too much on shaking or rocking. Shake. I think shaking is the better description. But it doesn't move anything forward in any way. And how, once again, how would I improve this particular mechanism? Maybe, let's put this, maybe by just pulling this thing, this connection, a little bit up. Hopefully that could do the job. Who knows? It just might. So let's start again. Oh, right. I have to close the interface first. Yeah, I need to add more weight right here. Right here. Although it rides a little, but it needs to be stable. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so with some of these parts I will try to improve the rocking or the shaking or whatever you can call it. Just adding one. Still shaking. Okay, so Okay, so now the question is, how will this behave? I'm not very much impressed right now. I am going to interrupt and see whatever it does from here. Start. So why does it stop? Let me get the third probe and see if the carriage is getting some signal anyway. Is it getting signal here? And I have to change the camera angle. So is it getting on the roller? Yes. Here as well. So right now it looks like that that changing this was not the solution. Now this is interesting. So let me, there it went. Just touching it. It has signal, without any doubt. So how does it behave? Still not very stable. And now it should write, but it's in the middle position again, but blocking blocking this sensor, or a lamp and sensor. And yeah, this is the dreaded position, but it does move at times. Alright, let me fake that it has reached the other end. So I am going to block it. I'm going to block it right here, right now, which is impossible, by the way, because it's still here. So, okay, now I can simulate. I'm blocking. So the program should now detect that it is going the other way. How will it respond? And then I notice, of course, that it has still the same angle as before, so it should not have too much friction. And it moves barely a millimeter. Now it should move, and it detects that the middle sensor is 0, as you can see here, but nothing like anything hooray. So it's not a solution, unfortunately. No, regrettably it's not a solution. And then this is the final part for this episode. It's shaking, it's rocking, but not moving, not the way I like. And as far as it looks now, the networking change to this wired solution to wire Ethernet is a good one. Alright, that leaves the question, why did I have to reboot to power cycle the interface? Apart from that, what's up with the carriage? So let me tap it again. Anyway, yeah, that's it, I think. Let me try once again. And this is the algorithm, of course. Will the diagnosis do better? Alright, let's do the diagnose for now. And diagnose is 100% now. And this is the other, now it's reverse and not doing a thing. So, close interface, after diagnostics, start the program again, which is now again that way. You can see it moves. So I once again block it, so it goes the other way. So does the oscilloscope say. So once again, why is it moving not this way, but does it move that way? Well, not now of course, but when applicable. That's a strange situation. And I still think I have to modify this one better. But with the network connection and the reset interface, I didn't get to that. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like, I appreciate it. Follow me on Twitter, then retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram, please like and leave a comment. Show your support and appreciation please by making a donation, or you can become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter on my website, or on my website as well as with my video, depending on the pledge you make. More information on my website. And for just donation, more information also at the start of this video. And this is going to be continued. So, thanks for watching and bye bye.